Good morning, everyone. Once again, we are back with the online classes, and this time we are having some changes in your classes. I think so. From next week, we are going to start our live classes for class 9th also, and I hope that you will have better experience than last time from next week. But this week, we are going to have this YouTube video, and I hope all of you are fine and staying home and you are studying well. I hope you have completed your project work as well as your homework, as well as the instruction will come. You have to submit the both things, project work as well as the homework. So students, under the guidance of your parents, you can study well, and whenever you need the teachers, then you can contact through that comment section. And now we are having the live sessions and interaction, so we can have better interaction with the students from next week. So today I am going to start the class, not taking more time. So let's start the class. So let's begin our class, and today we are going to start question number 1 of structured questions. So let us see first answer. First question is, what is meant by rotation of earth? Discuss the effects of rotation of the earth. So first part of your question, what is meant by rotation of earth, is mentioned here. So you can write the first part from here. This is the first part of your question, and for second part you can take this reference. So this is the second part of your question. You can write 3 are mentioned in the book. You can write these 5, very small is there, or if you are willing to mention 4 or 3, then you can mention that also. So now we are moving question number 2. So question number 2 states that what is the effect of inclined axis on of the earth on the day and night. So here it is mentioned, difference in the duration of days and night all over the earth is on account of inclined axis of the earth. This is the 6-month day in North Pole in summer season, and 6-month day in South Pole in winter season. So this is mentioned here. So I hope it is clear. Question number 1B. Now question number 1C. C part is mentioned here. C part, first one. So that is mentioned, Kuala Lumpur rotates faster on the earth axis than London. So it is mentioned here. I hope you will complete. Next one, second part, we always see the sun rising in the east. So earth rotates from west to east, which makes us see rise from the east. So this is clear, I think so. Next, give reason is there, that Norway called the land of the midnight sun. So it is mentioned here. During the summer solstice, the North Pole inclined towards sun, and therefore the duration of the day increases from 12 hours at equator and 24 hours on Arctic Circle, and the regions beyond it. Norway lies beyond the Arctic Circle. So that's why it is so. You can write the answer. Norway lies beyond the Arctic Circle, therefore it is known as the land of midnight sun. That also you can mention if you are willing to mention in short. So next question, question number 1D. Draw the well level diagram. It is mentioned here in your book, and I have given you also this diagram you have to make. Next one, describe the duration of sunlight changes from equator to the poles with respect to angle of incidence. So in your book it is mentioned something like that, during the solstice. So I have given the answer. Same answer you have to write. I will increase full screen I have done for you. You can write the answer. I think it is clearly visible to everyone. Okay, so now I am moving for next question. So the next question is, describe the seasons and how are reversed between the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So this answer is here. I hope it is clear to you and you can write it well on your copy. This is question number 2B. So I would like to mention here it is question number 2B. This question is question number 2B. So next we can move on question number 2C. So question number 2C, first part, this is give reason. The length of day and night is not equal on all places due to inclination of the earth axis. If the earth axis was perpendicular to the plane of the orbit, the length of the day would be equal. So I think it is clear. Due to inclination of the earth axis, this is the right answer. So you can write the answer. I think it is clearly visible to everyone. So now I am going for next answer. You can take the screenshots of the answers and then you can write if you are having problem in writing. So next one, the period of twilight increases polewards. This is the question. So the answer is mentioned here. On account of oblique path of the sun towards the poles, then the vertical path along the equator, the length of dawn and twilight is greater as it is nearly 1 hour near the equator and 50 days at the poles. So I hope it is clear. This answer you can take the screenshot. I am making it a little bit fit to the screen. So I hope you can write the answer well. Next one, question number 2C. 25th December in New Zealand may be the one of the hottest day of the year. So here it is that sun rays are vertical over the topic of Capricorn. So 25th December may be the one of the hottest days in the New Zealand, being situated in the southern hemisphere. So I hope it is clear to you. Now next question, last one it is. Draw a bell level diagram of diagram to show that tilt on the earth axis and how revolution causes seasons and variations in the day and night. So this is the diagram, and second part, inclination of the earth axis, it is mentioned here. You can cut short little bit if you are willing to write this answer. Otherwise I have mentioned this, it is almost the part of the first part. Second and third part I have mentioned here. The length of day and night, and one more part was there, variation. So these three parts I have covered in these two slides. So you can write this answer as it is, or you can mention some important points in place of this one. If you are willing to reduce little bit, then you can reduce. You are free, but diagram is compulsory. So I hope this answer you have understood. So students, I hope you have understood the answers well, and if you are having any doubt, then you can write me in comment section and I'll respond. Otherwise we can have next week that interaction session or that live classes. Then we can discuss if any query is there. And one more thing I want to say, that you have to complete your project work as well as your homework as soon as possible, because very soon instructions you are going to get for submission of your homework or project work. So till then, stay home, stay safe, and have a nice day.